in a database. Okay? Can you explain to us how we can organize these libraries? If you are assistant librarian, can you show us how we can implement a library system like what? My Loft. Can you develop a prototype of My Loft which we don't have to buy from it? My Loft is from it. So, you can only do that if you do what? You do extra learning. Extra what? Extra learning. Okay? Extra learning. Extra learning means you have what? So I think up what to do. To be able to succeed, to become a professional, you need to have the following. One, an attitude of self-independent learning. That's number one. Number two, to develop, you say new skills. You develop information literacy skills, which will enable you to get or look for information that is relevant. Okay? Information literacy skills. What does information literacy mean? Just a simple definition. Information literacy. Okay? Ability to handle information. Some more detail to that. Just what should you expect from an information literacy person to be able to do? Number one, search for the correct information. That's good. Number two, somebody is information literate. What is it? To satisfy users' needs by exactly the right information. Another one. Okay. Right decisions about information. Okay, what decisions? Okay. Decision for running problem. What problem? Okay. And we can take a definition for information literacy. Information literacy refers to the ability to do the following. Number one, identify one's information need. You need to know what information you need. Number two, decide where you can find that information. Number three, be able to retrieve that information. And number five, to be able to apply that information ethically without prejudice. You understand?